What's up everybody? I am Alex and today I want to talk to you about streaming. In the beginning it may feel intimidating and sound expensive, but fear not, it's a lot easier than you think. The three main things that you will need are a streaming software, a microphone, a camera, and a capture device if you want to stream from a gaming console. So let's start with the streaming software. Whether you want to stream on Twitch or YouTube, the go-to software is OBS Studio. It is free and it integrates very well with both YouTube and Twitch. If you want to learn how to use the software, there are a number of tutorials available on YouTube. The channel I use to learn how to use the software is Gaming Careers. I'll put a link in the description. Now that we have the software figured out, let's talk about sound. In my opinion, sound is one of the most important things on your stream. You want your sound to be clear and without distortion. First, see if there is something you can use that you already have, like a set of headphones for your phone. Maybe you have some AirPods. These have great noise cancelling. Or you can also use your gaming headset if you have one. It also comes with an equipped microphone. The sound is definitely going to be better than if you're using a built-in microphone in your laptop or a phone. If you want to take it up a level, you may consider using an external USB microphone. In my case, I'm using a Blue Yeti because it was given to me as a gift a few years ago, and with this pandemic, when I started streaming and creating content, it came in very handy. But on a budget, you can start with something more inexpensive like a Blue Snowball, which retails under 50 bucks, about 40 bucks online, and you can pick up a used one on eBay even cheaper, and it will sound much better than a set of headphones or even AirPods. If in your stream you need to move around and you cannot be positioned in front of the microphone at all times, you may want to consider a lavalier microphone, such as this one. It clips easily to your collar, just like that, and you're set to go. For situations like that, I am using a very budget microphone from Boya that I picked up for about, I don't know, like 25-30 bucks. And it works great. And another thing that I really like about it, that it works both with computers and phones. So in the future, if you decide to take videos outside or if you want to vlog, you can use this microphone there and it will provide you with much better sound than a built-in camera. Now that you have decided how you're going to bring audio into your stream, let's talk about bringing video into your stream. If you have a laptop, you can use built-in webcam. Unfortunately, those webcams generally don't have as good of a resolution. And because they're affixed to the bezel of your laptop, you really don't have that many options in how to adjust it and where to position it. Another option, once again, is to use something that you already have. If you have an older GoPro camera or any camera that has an HDMI out port, you can use that camera combined with a small $20 capture device. And if you don't have one, a used GoPro can be picked up on eBay for under $50. And once you put them together, it gives you great quality video that you can stream directly into the OBS Studio. If you happen to have a nicer camera, a higher quality camera, and a bit higher budget, you might want to consider Elgato Cam Link, which works wonderfully with the high-end cameras or nicer cameras and provides much better quality than any other capture device on the market currently. Alternatively, you may want to go with an external USB webcam. Logitech C920 comes very highly recommended by many streamers. It provides a great quality at an affordable price. Normally, it is priced around $79. Unfortunately, these days, it seems to be sold out everywhere. I have been looking to purchase this camera for a few months now, but the cheapest I was able to find it was on Amazon for about $120, so I keep looking. But in reality, you can use any camera, any webcam, as long as it gives you a resolution of 1080p or higher, you should be fine there. Finally, if you want to bring in an external source like a gaming console, you would need an external capture device that will allow you to play the game on your TV and capture it into the OBS at the same time. There are a number of budget cards available on Amazon between $50 and $100 that would do that job perfectly. If you have a little bit higher budget, I would definitely recommend Elgato Game Capture. I myself not a console gamer, so I never had a need to buy one of these, but asking my friends who are streaming and using consoles, this is what they recommend. So with that, we have covered inexpensive options for capturing audio, video, and even bringing external sources into your stream. Hopefully you found this video helpful, and let me know down in the comments what you are using in your budget streaming setup. And of course, I'm going to put links for all the items described in this video into the description. Happy streaming. Peace.